Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Here, we always share simple plant care tips to help your garden stay lush and vibrant, with flowers blooming beautifully every day. Many viewers often ask me whether organic fertilizers can be used for all types of plants in the garden. The answer is yes, absolutely. With just common ingredients from your everyday kitchen, you can create highly effective fertilizers suitable for each stage of your plant's growth. When properly cared for, plants grow evenly, produce strong shoots, and bloom uniformly, just as beautifully as those nurtured in professional nurseries. Let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, the first ingredient I use is onion. I take half an onion and chop it into small pieces like this, so the nutrients can be released more effectively when blended. Onions contain plenty of vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds that help boost the plant's resistance, stimulate root growth, and effectively reduce fungal diseases. Next, put all the chopped onion into the blender. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Add 500 milliliters of clean water, then close the lid and blend until smooth. When the onion is blended smoothly, its nutrients dissolve into the water, creating a natural fertilizer solution that's very beneficial for the plants in your garden. After blending, I strain out all the onion pulp, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid contains the highest concentration of nutrients and beneficial compounds from the onion, making it excellent for stimulating root growth, boosting plant immunity, and supporting overall healthy development. We will use this nutrient-rich solution in the next steps to continue caring for the plants in our garden. I will dilute this solution with 1 liter of clean water. Diluting it helps reduce the concentration so the plants can absorb the nutrients more safely, preventing fertilizer shock, especially for young plants, recently repotted orchids, or those currently in the recovery stage. I will use this solution to wipe the leaves of the plants in my garden, and the first plant I choose to clean is the Anthurium. I use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth, lightly soak it with the solution, and slowly wipe each leaf from the stem to the tip, covering both the upper and lower surfaces. This thoroughly removes dust, mineral deposits, and any long-standing pathogens on the leaf surface. When wiping, be gentle and avoid scrubbing too hard to prevent scratching the leaf's natural epidermis. Cleaning the leaves this way keeps the stomata clear, allowing the plant to photosynthesize more effectively and absorb light and nutrients better. The onion solution not only cleans the leaves, but also provides natural antibacterial properties, helping reduce fungal infections and pests. With regular use over time, you'll notice the Anthurium leaves becoming darker green, thicker, and visibly glossy, with fewer brown spots or yellow edges. Healthy leaves give the plant enough energy to produce new leaves faster and prepare it to develop flower spikes more evenly. Next, I will wipe the leaves of the Phalaenopsis orchid. I still use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth lightly soaked in the solution, then gently wipe each leaf from the base to the tip, covering both the upper and lower surfaces. For Phalaenopsis orchids, you need to go a little slower and be extra gentle because their leaves are soft and easily scratched. Wiping the leaves of Phalaenopsis orchids removes dust, water deposits, and long-standing fungal and bacterial residues, while allowing nutrients to be absorbed directly through the leaf surface. When the leaves are clean and properly nourished, the orchid photosynthesizes more efficiently, producing darker green, thicker, and noticeably glossy leaves. With regular leaf cleaning over time, you'll notice the orchid has fewer yellow leaves and brown spots, appears healthier, and has enough energy to nourish its roots and shoots, preparing for new flower spikes in the near future. For the peace lily, also known as Spathiphyllum, leaf cleaning is done similarly to Phalaenopsis orchids. I use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth lightly soaked in the solution and gently wipe each leaf from the base to the tip, covering both the upper and lower surfaces. Peace lily leaves are quite soft and thin, so you need to be very gentle to avoid scratching the leaf surface. Wiping the leaves of the peace lily not only removes dust, water deposits, and long-standing bacteria, but also allows nutrients to be absorbed directly through the leaves, making them noticeably darker green, glossier, and thicker. With regular cleaning over time, you'll notice fewer yellow leaves, less leaf tip burn, a stronger stem, and continuous production of new leaves. When the leaves are healthy and photosynthesizing efficiently, the peace lily will have enough energy to produce new flower spikes that are evenly developed, pure white, and long-lasting. This is a very simple care method, but delivers noticeable results, especially for indoor plants that don't get natural rain to wash their leaves. Method 2. Next, I pour the onion water solution into a spray bottle. Then, I lightly and evenly mist the entire ZZ plant, covering the leaves, stem, and base of the plant. Misting with the onion solution helps clean the leaf surfaces, reduce bacteria and fungal infections, and provides a light nutrient boost that makes the leaves darker green, thicker, and more turgid. For the ZZ plant, when properly cared for like this, you'll notice new shoots appearing faster, a thicker, more robust stem, and a fuller canopy. This method also helps the plant maintain a beautiful shape, stay healthy, and remain vibrant, especially for ZZ plants grown indoors. The results of applying this care method show that both my indoor and outdoor plants are thriving and changing noticeably day by day. New leaves have started to emerge, growing with full vitality. Especially for Phalaenopsis orchids, you can see many new roots emerging around the base of the plant. These roots are plump and white, with green tips firmly anchoring into the medium, indicating that the root system is functioning very well. This is the clearest sign that the plant has fully recovered, is absorbing nutrients effectively, and is ready to enter its next vigorous growth phase. When the roots are healthy and the leaves are green, the plant is also beginning to accumulate energy in preparation for new flower spikes. To provide additional nutrients that stimulate flowering, I will use a banana. After eating a banana, we usually discard the peel, but today I'll use the banana peel to encourage the plants in the garden to bloom. Banana peels are rich in potassium and minerals, which are essential nutrients for bud formation and flower development. After chopping the banana peel into small pieces, I place all of it into a clean glass jar. Then I add 500 milliliters of clean water. The next ingredient I use is white vinegar. I add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the banana water solution. Vinegar helps enhance the extraction of nutrients from the banana peel and adjusts the solution's environment so the plant can absorb the nutrients more effectively. Then, I stir well to ensure all the nutrients are fully dissolved in the water. After preparing the solution, I close the lid and let it sit overnight so that all the nutrients from the banana peel are fully extracted into the water. After one night, I strain out all the banana peel, keeping only the concentrated liquid. This is a nutrient-rich solution, high in potassium and minerals, perfect for stimulating bud formation and supporting flower development. Before use, I dilute the solution at a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 3 parts clean water to ensure it's safe for the plant and to prevent nutrient shock. Then I use the diluted solution to water directly at the base of the plants in the garden. When watering, I pour slowly and evenly around the base so the solution gradually penetrates the soil, allowing the roots to absorb it steadily without nutrient shock, maximizing its effectiveness in stimulating flowering. In this solution, the banana peel provides plenty of potassium, an essential nutrient that stimulates bud formation, makes flowers larger and more vividly colored, and helps them last longer. Additionally, banana peels contain natural phosphorus and magnesium, which support flowering and nourish a healthy root system. The white vinegar helps release nutrients more quickly from the banana peel while slightly adjusting the soil environment, allowing roots to absorb nutrients more efficiently and reducing the risk of root congestion or micronutrient deficiencies. After continuing this care routine for some time, you can see new flower spikes growing vigorously from the plant's stem. The spikes are strong, with fresh green tips, developing very evenly, indicating the plant is in its most vigorous phase. Some plants have already started to bloom, especially with many buds appearing on the same spike, plump, round, and evenly arranged. This is a clear sign that a full flowering period is approaching. For the spikes that have already bloomed, you'll notice the flowers last longer than before, with brighter colors, thicker petals, and greater durability. Watching the flower spikes grow day by day, and the buds gradually opening, you can clearly feel the results of consistent and proper care. With just simple ingredients from your kitchen, we've helped the plants recover, grow vigorously, and enter a truly spectacular new flowering season. What do you think of my plant care method? If you find this approach simple, easy to follow, and effective, please share your thoughts in the comments. I'm excited to read about your own garden experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to continue joining me on journeys of caring for lush, flowering gardens. Thank you for watching.